Hi there. I had some more time this week to work on Visby. So first of all, I replaced part of it with my own drawings of houses. Obviously, I'm not great, but I'm doing it in a similar style to what I saw in the Wolfwalkers movie. It's kind of simplistic. I'm taking inspiration from real buildings in Visby, and they are still standing. They basically were created around the time that I want to set this game. The historic things on the right there, they're not pretty. I want to make them a little bit cleaner. And this building here is an apothecary, a pharmacy. It's actually still standing in Visby. It's kind of similar. I added similar windows and similar wooden thingies, and I put in a tower here and added basically all of Visby has cobblestones. So I don't know if that's a mistake. I'm gonna draw a cobblestone everywhere in the background. This is a little bit tower. This basically the guards are guarding the tower because it's a jail. That's basically what I'm doing. In Visby, it's not, obviously I'm taking liberties with everything. Placement is not the way it would be. Also, you can see that I've changed the aspect ratio. I made it a little bit more compressed. The art actually was compressed in this aspect ratio, and when I drew my stuff, it looked better if I actually just pushed them together a little bit. What else? Like the paths of everything has changed because the layout has changed. So the guard is moving to a different location, and the rat and kids are running around differently. I also added this thing. I'm gonna show it in the proper context. So I'm searching this guy. The guards start chasing me. I also added a back facing, which is super simple for these guys because I just flip it. And you can go in the door and hide. The guards are not smart. They think you've disappeared to the world. They're basically being, I removed the entity and I attach it to the door, so you're basically part of the door. And when you're part of the door, when you're attached, you can only do actions on the thing you're attached to. So I'll see how far that will go. And when you get out, you go out at the exact same position you got in. And this is just basically simplify all the logic. I also did one more thing. The collision against walls here are smoother. I've changed the sliding physics. And I also made the collision a little bit more detailed, so I kind of can go against edges and so on. And you saw it here when I moved up inside this. I don't know if I'm gonna add some other behavior to make the shadows even stronger, but yeah, I'm working on some more things here. So you can basically be in here as well, but that will change because I'm drawing some more stuff there. So you can still steal the bird, unlock it if you have the key. What else? No, it's pretty simple. I fixed a couple of bugs as well. When you push the guard, you flipped into these two kids, and the materials wouldn't actually be reset correctly, so you'd have a black frame there. Same thing. Basically, each instance here, when they were resetting the materials, it wasn't actually correct the way I did it. So I just fixed that up. So basically, material goes back to basics and then it goes to the overrides. So I always have some kind of clean state to go to. The kids can't actually use the doors yet. I'll see. I'm thinking about what button inputs I should be using when the kids are active, and so I'm kind of considering what I should actually use there. I'll probably implement the action so they can actually hide, so they have some kind of kids have the action that they can actually do this. But yeah, I'll see how I'll do it. So yeah, there's a lot of guards. I changed the placement of the guards as well because of the change in background. Yeah, when I have this courtyard, I don't know if I'm gonna have the stocks, the same stock that is there, or if I'm gonna use a different thing. I know that they use these kind of stocks in Visby at the time this is set, but they also had a different one which was kind of interesting and also seems more painful. I don't want to show that picture though because it's kind of, yeah. Middle Ages, medieval times was gruesome. They actually punished people for just saying bad words in public. They had a law against that for a while. In not just Visby, in England, I read about. Now the captain seems to have a bug. Wow. Anyways, I put in these doors because I had been wanting to hide somewhere, and there was a topic this week about board doors being difficult, and they are. Like on big teams with high fidelity, they definitely are. In my game, it's another object that you use. Doesn't affect pathfinding. I remove the entity from the world when you enter there, so the guards can't spot you. Obviously, it adds complexity, but a game isn't fun without some complexity to it. So that's my spiel and my ideas. Thanks. Bye.